Alright, I just wanted to make a quick video. I was having a hard time installing my rear shocks. Um, I know that they come with a little strap on them, but even with the strap that came with the Bilstein shocks, the shock itself was too long. Like the distance between the upper mount and the lower mount was too long, and I was laying on the ground pushing on it, and it was just unpleasant. And I sat and thought about it for a while, and I figured I could probably cinch it down in a more adjustable way. So initially, I used a ratchet strap to cinch it up, and yeah, I got it to the right length, but I actually made it a little too short, which also didn't work. And the hook of the ratchet strap can't go over the top mount. So when you put the shock in, there's a bracket underneath the truck. You put your shock in, and there's very little clearance above. So if you put a ratchet strap through, the hook can't go back. But just like with the little band that comes with it, so this is the band that usually comes on the shock itself when you buy it. I figured a baling twine would probably be able to fit into that space and also be easy to cut and not give me any trouble. So Bilstein 5100 what is it, B8 shocks. They came highly recommended for my Silverado, so I figured I'd try them out. Alright, sorry again for how dark it is. Hopefully you can see something. But again, it's not as much an install video, it's more of a, I had this problem, fixed it, and thought it might help somebody else in the future. So, Bilsteins are, always make sure the logo is upright. Wiggle them into place for the bolts on these guys. They're one side's captive and the other side's just a hole, so you don't have to worry about holding a nut on the top, only the bottom. I'm out of alignment a little bit. I've been under the truck for a long time today and I'm getting kind of sore. I'm tired of it. Just tightening it by hand right now. I did put a good amount of anti-seize on everything because it's, you know, under the truck, so rusty down here. I fluid film my truck twice a year. I just bought a little paint sprayer and I just do it myself. It's not that hard, but even with that, it's probably gonna rust here in New England. So, see how I'm like mostly lined up? I just need a little bit more. I'm going to use my stick to tighten it up and then just let the stick do the work so I don't have to struggle so much. Pop your nut on. The lower one does have a nut. Alright. And on there is you can actually just cut the baling twine and slide it right on out. Easy peasy. I'm then going to torque these guys down to 85 foot-pounds. So just torque the bottom and the top. Both are 85, both sides. I hope this helps. Hope you have an easier time of it than I did. Again, I might have a slightly worse situation because I think my truck is sitting a little low in the back more than it's supposed to. But everyone else I was seeing did seem to struggle a little bit to push their shocks into place. So hope this hack helps you out. Bye.